One of our best strategies is the SR CounterTrend strategy. It works on all three platforms, but I'm going to show it to you in the NinjaTrader platform today. We're using a 0.4 percentage range, and here's the performance summary. I just like to change this to currency, and then I want to drag this down, show you some of the highlights of this report and how it works. So I'm going to do that. What you see is the average trade profit at $70.40. You see the drawdown 2,900 minus 2,900. Total net profit 34,1250. And this is since it's about the last 3 years. I have 3 years of kinetic data, 11/28/29. Obviously, you can see the difference between the long trades on this and the short trades. And the short side, surprisingly, has made more money than the long side. And you can see other statistics here if you would like, divided up between all trades, long trades, and short trades. You can see the differences here. The total number of trades is balanced. Percentage of profitability is balanced. I'm going to take a look at the equity curve now. Take a look at the equity curve by clicking on graphs, and you see the results here. We have a more and more counter-trending market. You can see some of the trades, some of the recent trades here behind us. I'll just look at the periodical returns on an annual basis. Taking a look here. Keep in mind that this started at the end of 2009, so not much data on 2009, just 1 month of data or so on 2009. And I'm going to maximize this, and you can see here the cumulative profits fairly consistent, 2010, 2011, 2012. What's notable is the average trade profit is $90, so it's doing well this year, better than in previous years, even though previous years are pretty good. We have more of a counter-trending, tight range, choppy market environment, so this strategy does well. We're going to take a look at some of the trades now. You see on Friday we talked about this, showed the results in TradeStation, also in NinjaTrader. Got long at 14.12 and exited 14.16.75. We have a long trade here, exiting there. The reason we did that because it's near the high, and then we have another long trade here, and the market dipped. And so we have specific rules for this strategy. It doesn't always just buy on the support. You see the support and resistance bands. It doesn't always just buy on those. There's other criteria that have to be met. You see a long trade here stopped out, a short trade that was profitable. And so these are just some of the basic trades that you see in this strategy. Take a look at some of the inputs. We right click to see the inputs, and then go to see format, strategies, and you can take a look at this strategy. Max daily entries is 2, number of contracts is 1. Percent range is what we changed from 0.7 down to 0.4. These are just default numbers. Stop loss of $300, no profit target. You see profit targets on the screen. That has to do with based on trading near the highs or the lows. If it gets near the previous day's high on longs, it gets out. If it gets near the previous day's lows on shorts, it gets out. And so it's not a fixed profit target. Break even, stop loss of $500 is true. Percent stop loss and profit target are false. These are Eastern time zone, and again, these begins at the beginning of the day. Doesn't take any new entries after noon, and any current positions will stay open until 1 minute before the cash close. Again, you can change the symbol. Works on the other markets as well. Other stock indexes, that is, and that's because we use advancers and decliners. These are the default symbols for the kinetic data feed. If you have a different data feed, you'll need to change those. And so that is the update on SR CounterTrend and how this strategy works. I'll hyperlink you to the sign up link, and you can email us if you have any questions for this top NinjaTrader strategy.